My Toni CanDo Combs are really simple to wear. They're hair on slightly elastic bands but attached to combs. So what we're going to do is actually slide one comb in and then slide the other comb in. They do not interlock, they slide one on top of the other, which locks them firmly into place. So let me demonstrate. I'm going to open the comb up. I'm going to take my hair, as you can see, in a flat pancake. I'm simply going to slide one comb in. I'm going to stretch the elastic bands and tuck the other comb under that comb, locking the CanDos firmly into place, giving me instant volume and an instant do.